Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was supposed to be a full face tutorial, but I did my primer, foundation, and concealer all without realizing I wasn't recording. So I'm just gonna focus on the eyes today. This isn't like a review or first impressions or anything. I really just wanted to use the Colourpop Glowing Coconuts palette. I've been using this pretty much every day, like in my real life when I wear makeup. And I did an eye look the other night that I really liked. This is what the coconut palette looks like. It's all neutral tones. It's really pretty. First, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and that's called Culata. I'm gonna take that on my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm just gonna run that through my crease. And next, I'm gonna take this shade and this shade right here. Those are called Lovely Bunch and Shell Yeah. And I'm going to mix those together on my Morphe M573 brush and then run those through my crease too. Next, I'm going to go in with this bottom shade right here. It's called Get Crackin'. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M433 brush. Now, this shade does have like a little bit of like a blue reflect to it, but when you blend it out, you can't really see it. And I'm gonna focus that on the outer part of my eye and then into the crease a little bit too. I'm gonna take this bottom middle shade, this shimmer shade right here, that's called the Cocoa. And I'm gonna use my finger for that, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Next, for false lashes, I'm going to use these ones from Boldface Makeup, and they are in the style Babe Alert. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line. So first I'm going to start off with the Essence Kajal pencil in the shade Teddy. Next I'm going to take the shade Get Crackin', and I'm just going to smudge that liner out. Next, I'm gonna go back in with these two shades, Lovely Bunch and Shelia, and just blend that shade out even more. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe B79 brush, go in with this shade right here, Culata, and just blend it out more. So I just put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone in my inner corner. So first, as a base, at least for my inner corner, I'm not going to put this on my brow bone, I'm going to take this pencil, it's the NYX metallic eyeliner in the shade Rose Gold. And next I'm going to go back into the palette. And I'm going to take this middle shade right here in the top row. That's called Palm Reader. And I'm going to take that on my e.l.f. crease brush. That was the finished eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.